Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, we continue to be in this higher level wave pattern here, unchanged from the previous video. So anybody who would like some more explanation about that, take a look at the previous video from today. Let's just focus now in this video on the lower level price action, sort of towards the end of the day here. Again, it is currently adhering nicely here to this triangle count that I talked about in the previous video. We could say it's a bit unclear, but I guess rather like that, if we count it as a triangle that we had in this move down, from the wave B high, we which was a reversal error. So anybody who opened the short here, maybe you did, you could have made some nice profit, because this was one of the reversal areas, the last one, and then we had one here, which so far worked out as well. However, there is still a chance where we are still in it, to be honest, but we broke out of it to the downside briefly. There's two possibilities now how this wave 4 could unfold. In my opinion, we still are in this wave 4, as I already said in the previous videos, and we'd be looking at a wave 5 down. At the beginning, when we came down here, this move up was possible as an impulse, but I also told you that the relationships, the wave relationships to each other, the Fibonacci levels, weren't ideal. So therefore we were looking at another move down, and this is currently playing out. So sort of sideways range, but this is all part of this wave 4 correction, which would eventually come down probably in a wave 5. Now let me just make these lines a little bit less one second here, make them a little bit less clear. So there you go, you see that better. So from the wave 3 low here, which was at 20,700, just above that basically, there's two possibilities. One possibility I showed you in the previous video here as the triangle pattern that is still valid as long as we stay below 21,785. As long as we stay below that level, this triangle pattern is valid, because then we can count it as an A, B. We might now be in the wave C. There will be a wave D down and the wave E up that should not exceed the high of the wave C. If we do this, then you would expect the 5-wave move in this last wave down to follow after the wave E, and move down to the opposite side of the wave E. Now the alternative is, and which of these patterns is working out, I don't know, but they both lead to a very similar outcome. The other possibility is, and I'll just put that here on the chart in a different color, is that what we are doing here is just a normal, you would say normal ABC correction. In that, one second, to have the right tool, yes. So that we moved up from the low of the wave 3, yes indeed, up in a wave A, that's fine. As per this scenario, we then moved down in a wave B, but I would then count this wave B itself as an A, B, C. So here this would be the wave B, and we are now moving up in a wave C. Now this wave C would go ideally above the high of the wave A. So therefore we don't know which of these scenarios is currently working out. Basically, if we break down below the high of the wave A, then we would be expecting here this triangle to play out. If we go higher now, then the wave A, which is again at 21,785, then we'd be looking here at the wave C. And basically this wave C could go all the way up to the 22,190 level, which is the yellow line here, which I had on the chart before. And if we go above that level, especially if we go above that level impulsively, then I think we can start to think about, was the low already in? So these are the two key levels that I'd be looking out for, either triangle or here the yellow wave count A, B, C, and then after the wave C would be moved down in 5 waves. So which of these scenarios, we don't know yet. It depends on how high Bitcoin now goes, and then before it comes down. But in any scenario, we need to be here on high alert that we could be coming down here very, very shortly. And if we look at the Fibonacci retracement levels for this wave 3 as well, we can take a look at that as well. And let me just draw those those retracements here. Yeah, from the wave 2 high going down to the wave 3 low. Yeah, you can see that exactly why this level is so important, the 22,190 level, and because this is the 50% fib level. If we go above this level, the wave 4 is normally invalidated. Yeah, a wave 4 would normally not go higher or retrace more than the 50% fib level. Therefore, this yellow line is so relevant. We have now come very close again to the 38.2% fib level at 21,859. So that for me is already the first level where we could move down from. And in the ABC scenario, yeah, so look at this level here, 21,859. Or if we don't retrace from here or move down from here, it would be that $22,190 level, highly relevant. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, we had here this green reversal area. I'll make that a bit smaller because this one did work out. And now we are going to open another one for exactly this wave. And this is spanning from the current level, yeah, all the way up to that yellow line where we also have another chance to reverse down now in an impulse. Okay, between basically now and 22,190. If we go above that level, something more bullish is going on. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin here towards the end of the day. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And you can find the links for these in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.